I'm just out here enjoying the snow, you know. So you had made a post the other day on Facebook?
About?
You said, I wonder if the snow Long Island is seeing comes close
Yeah.
or as bad as the blizzard of 78?
Yeah.
What was that like, the blizzard of 78?
It started snowing about noon, and by 2:30, the IRS closed and sent everybody home. So it snowed that all day and all the next day. I went home to where I was staying, then I went over to where Mom lived with her and her mother, and I ended up staying there for 2 days because of the snow. And the whole East Coast was paralyzed. And then about a week later, it snowed again, and it was up to the hood of the car, the top of the hood. And that was the well-known blizzard of 78.
So you were not only there for it, but right in the middle of it?
Right in the middle of it. It snowed for days.
Yeah, I had read a little bit about that after I saw what you said.
I think I got stuck at my house first for the first blizzard. I went home, woke up and said, wow, look at all this. And then a week later, the second blizzard hit. And that's where I got stuck in Mom's house before she was my wife. If she was my girlfriend, I ended up with a visitor. I couldn't leave. Couldn't get my car out. Her mother didn't like that too much.
Yeah.
What are you going to do, you know? Some people said, yeah, this is a bad blizzard, but the blizzard of 78 was worse. That goes down in history.
The whole East Coast, you say?
The whole East Coast. New York City was paralyzed. Nobody was going anywhere. The railroads didn't even run.
So nothing has come close to that since?
Well, this one is pretty bad, I guess. We didn't get 2 feet of snow overnight, but I'm not there, so I don't know. I just know what people say. I know that it's snowing right now from Texas all the way to Maine. But everything is southeast of us. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, it even snowed here.
Well, it wouldn't hurt to get some snow up in the mountains, but
So how long did the emergency last? Like how long until society got back to normal?
well, a few days. A few days.
Until it was melted or until it was moved?
It just moved. It didn't melt until I got rid of it. Yeah, the blizzard of 78.
Yeah, the first year we moved here, there was a lot of snow.
I know.
Nothing close to the blizzard of 78.
Well, it was pretty bad. I mean, the snow was as high as a mailbox. Remember, Marcy was walking on the snow, it was as high as the mailbox, and we dug tunnels in it in the front yard.
Yeah.
It seems like snow is just tapered off.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, I'd read that blizzard had killed around 100 people.
Blizzard of 78,
Yeah, like how do people die from a blizzard? What do you think?
get stuck in your car, no heat, maybe a tree falls on the car.
Yeah, tree, house collapse maybe.
Yeah. Wires come down.
So what did
I
you
mean, I don't know.
what did you take away from it, the whole experience? 'Cause it sounds pretty bad from what I had read.
There's nothing but snow and snow and snow. Solid snow.
Just be prepared. Have the things you need at home already?
Well, a lot of people didn't. But they went to the store and stopped buying shit. I lived in a little trailer, so I didn't have anything.